right, so of March of 2021, the SBA announced that they are going to adjust the funds of what is going to be available to business owners. And seeing that news, I was really happy about that because that just means more money that I can invest into my business to help grow my business and to be able to borrow that at a very low interest rate and very good terms. What changed was that they went from giving out about 6 months of working capital up to $150,000 to now 24 months of working capital up to $500,000 that you can loan. So this came out pretty early, but I didn't actually request to modify my current loan until about June. So I was kind of late in the game, and the reason was because I'm in the middle of escrow for a house, so I didn't know how that was going to affect the whole closing escrow thing for my house. So I'm still in the middle of it and I didn't want to mess around with it, but then I later found out that it's not actually going to affect my personal credit, so it was okay to do anyways. So I went in and I requested to adjust my loan. I basically asked for an additional about $110,000, and it wasn't going to make much of a difference for my monthly payments, and that was around June. And it's coming up on August. So the question is, where are my funds? What's the status? What's going on? Where are your funds? That's what I want to know too. I want to know where everyone else's funds are, because it seems like 85% of people are still waiting according to Skip, which is basically the website that's kind of tracking all of this. And a lot of people have not been approved just yet. So for my end, my application is actually all good as far as like what they're saying is my amount is confirmed and my loan modification is being processed. So I have like a little green button. I'm gonna share a little screenshot that I have right here. So it's been stuck like that in that button, in that green button, for the last 2 months. And from what my understanding from my research is that there's a few things that will happen over time. First off, there's a lot of applications going through that they need to be processed. So we're all gonna be waiting for a minute, right? And some people are gonna get it sooner than later, but I think all of our time will come very soon on this. But I wanted to kind of share what to expect moving forward. I haven't gotten any of this information or any of these further, I guess, steps just yet. But according to Skip, the website that kind of gives us a lot of information on this, what they're saying is that you should get an email about like that your request has been approved, and from following that you may get a call from a loan officer just to kind of confirm your identity from there. Once that's done, you're going to be requested to actually take more action and just sign some more documents, pretty similar to if you got the first loan. It's probably going to be pretty similar to that. Once you've signed the documents, it's pretty quick on how they deposit your money. It could be within basically a week, and that's kind of like our current status of what's going on with the Eidl loan at the moment, right? So we're all kind of stuck in a waiting game. I'm wondering where my money's at. I'm wondering if I'm getting approved, or I'm wondering where you guys are at. Comment down below if you are actually still waiting or if you did get approved, and tell us about your experience as well. But I wanted to give an update about where my status is with my business and where I'm headed. So I did go for requesting more on my modification, and these are the steps. We're just waiting, hopefully getting an email to get that we are approved, getting a potential call, signing some documents, and then that's the process. So that's the current process right now of who has been approved. For everyone else, we're all waiting for that email, right? So that's just a quick update about the Eidl program, and I just wanted to throw that out for you guys because I did make some videos about this in the past, and I just wanted to keep up to date with you guys of where it's at as of July 30th, 2021. That's where we're at right now. So thank you guys so much for watching, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.